How to see TikTok private account videos. So first of all, if you want to see a private account on TikTok, you just have to be friends with them, or they usually did not allow people to watch their videos, so you cannot do anything about it unless you do it illegally. So it depends on you. You just have to be friends with them, so that it will appear. You just in your TikTok the videos in their profile, and sometimes it's not because they really put their account in only me, so you cannot see their videos, so it's not possible to um watch them anyway. So if you want to watch their videos, what I mean is to watch their private videos, so you just have to contact them by message in TikTok, or you could have been friends with them, so that the appearance or the private videos appearance will reveal in your TikTok, and that's it.